Okay, Mr. Ter again. So we got a new package or another pack. So previously we got Kasparas 28 pick 9/10. Next pack. Yeah. Our next pack. So this one. Our next pack is Dylan Harper. So Pinoy. Let's check. Sana meron ulit. So Dylan Harper. Let's go. Okay, the second pick. Second pick. So guard star by San Antonio Spurs is got an electric season at right guard. So former Scarlet Kings player makers at school, freshman most of the season, earning 10 all freshmen and team honors. His tenacity figures to serve him well as the next level, helping the San Antonio Spurs. So let's check our kababayan. So our first card was a base card. So check natin. May ibang kulay. So back is another base. So another base. Next natin is the parallel. Ooh, bang! Low numbered 4/50 Dylan Harper. So congratulations to us from Kasparas to Dylan Harper na 4/50. This was a big hit for us.